Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. Now today I want to do something a little bit different. So this is just a really short video asking for my subscribers to collaborate with me. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to create a project that you decide. So how I'm going to do this is, if everybody that watches this video can leave a comment in the comments in this video and answer some simple questions, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those answers into separate different pots and pull one out and then make a project on it. So what I'd like to know from you, please, is firstly which colours you'd like me to use, and you can suggest any colours whatsoever. So just list the colours. So if you want me to use blues, reds, greens or whatever, then list the colours. What type of colour you'd like me to use, so whether it's mica, acrylic paint, resin colouring, food colouring, or any of the things, alcohol inks, any of those things, so list those down. What you'd like the project to be, so whether it's a casting, so I make casting, or whether it's a pour, or whatever you can think of. I don't mind. I don't want you to make this easy on me, because I want this to be as fun as possible, and I want to challenge myself, and I want to rise to the challenge of my subscribers as well. So, do you want me to use embellishments? If so, what sort of embellishments do you want me to use? Do you want me to use stickers, paper, metal, resin embellishments, gems, anything that you can think of? Hair, ash, not breast milk. That is one thing. That is the thing I'm going to have to stipulate that I can't do. It's just that I can't get hold of breast milk. Unfortunately, I don't lactate as a man, so getting hold of breast milk for me is going to be impossible. So please, no breast milk suggestions. And what you want it to be when it's finished. Do you want it to be a table, a tray, a coaster, a picture to put on the wall, anything? So, and if you've got any other suggestions that you think might be good, then I will have a miscellaneous pile as well, where I put all the ones that don't fit the normal questions that I've just asked into the miscellaneous pile, and I will pull one out. And I will pull out of each of one of the hats. So for instance, the colour one, I'll pull out maybe 4 different random things. The same with the what types of colour, but the actual picture itself, or what it's going to be finished, obviously I'm only going to pull out one. I think this could be fun, and I've got some lovely subscribers now. Hopefully I've got enough subscribers to engage with this and enter into this, and they're all becoming really good friends of mine through comments and all that sort of thing. So I just want to have a bit of fun in my next project. So please engage and just let me know. It takes a few seconds, and then I'll make a video on what I make and of me pulling it out, and we can judge it, okay? And if we love it, then maybe we'll do it as a giveaway to my subscribers. Okay, I look forward to seeing what you come up with, and again, like I said, don't make it too easy on me, but let's make it fun. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing the comments. I will put the questions again in the description of this video, so just leave the comments in the comments section on YouTube, and that'll be great. Thank you very much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share this video as much as you can to help my channel grow. Bye.